Hello students. So today we are going to start with the topic of coordination and control. This is class 10th science chapter. What do you mean by coordination? Coordination basically means how various organs coordinate among themselves or communicate among themselves to respond to a particular action or respond to a particular stimuli. So various organs working together in a systematic, controlled and efficient way to produce proper response to a various stimuli is known as coordination. Why is it necessary? It is necessary because each organ in an organism is specialized to perform a particular function. It is necessary that various organs works together to produce proper response to stimulus. So what do you mean by coordination? Coordination is basically the systematic response from various organs to a particular stimuli, and it is necessary because each organ is designed or is supposed to perform a standard set of particular functions, and it is therefore very necessary for all the various organs to perform together in a synchronous or a systematic manner. How does control and coordination takes place in humans? Systems responsible for coordinations are nervous systems and endocrine glands. What are nervous systems? In nervous systems, the response is done through electrical impulse. Endocrine glands through hormones. What are hormones? Hormones are basically chemical messengers made of proteins. These are secreted by endocrine glands into the bloodstream, and these act as specific tissues or organs known as target organs. Like we have discussed in the past that there are certain glands which secrete certain enzymes, and they have the functions. Those enzymes have certain specific functions. So like there are endocrine glands like pancreatic glands, thyroid glands. So similarly those glands secrete some hormones. So what are hormones? Hormones are basically chemical messengers made of proteins, and these are secreted by endocrine glands into the bloodstream and act on specific tissues or organs known as target organs. And these production of hormones and functioning of hormones is controlled by nervous system. So here we can see the entire hormonal coordination. Like once the stimuli, then the nervous system secretes certain endocrine hormones from some of the endocrine glands, and pushes hormone into the blood. Then it acts on the target organ, and then it reaches the stimuli. So what is the difference between nervous system and endocrine system? Nervous system, no direct coordination connection with organs or tissues. Information of coordination transmitted slowly, and effect is long lasting. Nervous system, direct coordination and control over tissues and organs. Information is transmitted very fast. Effect is short lived. Nervous coordination and hormonal coordination. Network of nerves connect different body parts to central nervous system, that is CNS. Messages through nerves and central nervous systems control and coordinate different functions. As it is an impulse, there is no such thing as quantity affecting organs. So basically in nervous coordination, what happens is the coordination is very fast, and thus the coordination takes place on impulse. We already told you electric impulse. So in this, the network of nerves connect different parts of the body to the central nervous system, that is basically the CPU or the central part of the nervous system, and the messages are carried through the nerves and central nervous system control and coordinate different functions. In hormonal coordination, hormones from endocrine glands reach different parts through blood, and messages are passed through the hormones, and each function is controlled and coordinated by a special hormone. So in the next class we'll start with nervous system.